Apocalypse chess. How to play. The rules are the same as regular chess, except for these changes. For a refresher of those rules, check out this video. The object of the game is to eliminate all of your opponent's pawns. Set up a 5x5 board. Place white's knights in the two corners and the pawns like so. Mirror this setup for black. Pawns are not allowed their double step move option. Therefore, en passant is not allowed. Players make moves simultaneously. Each turn, each player secretly writes down one move, then both players declare their moves. Then, both moves happen simultaneously. If both players move the same type of piece to the same space, then both pieces are removed. If both players move to the same space but with different pieces, then the knight captures the pawn. If a pawn moves diagonally to capture a piece, but that piece moves to avoid capture, then the pawn still moves diagonally, but no capture is made. If you try to make an illegal move, for example, you anticipate your opponent moving the piece in front of your pawn, so you try and move your pawn forward, but they end up not moving that piece, so now your pawn is making an illegal move. You then incur a penalty point and your pawn doesn't move. If you acquire 2 penalty points, then you immediately lose the game. When your pawn reaches the farthest row, it promotes to a knight, but it may only promote to a knight if you have less than 2 knights currently on the board. If you don't, then you must move that pawn to any vacant space on the board below the farthest row. If you try to promote your last pawn, you get a penalty point. The first player to eliminate all of their opponent's pawns wins.